Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to stake Ethereum with Gemini Earn. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply stake Ethereum with Gemini Earn, all you gotta do is simply log in into your Gemini account. So once you log in into your Gemini, you can simply find the Explore tab. You can simply go there and then you can simply select like the trade button. You can find the trade button right over there and you can simply select for the staking option. Now, you can also purchase or use existing ETH. Any amount of ETH held in your Gemini account can be staked as well. You can purchase more ETH directly within the staking interference if you need. Now, you need to confirm your staking request, review the details of your staking transaction, and finalize the request to start earning rewards. So by doing this, you will be able to stake Ethereum with Gemini Earn. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.